Hey, I'm Jason Hart, Elite Barbecue Smokers. The recipe we'll share with you today is a game day favorite. Though we can't say the word, we're gonna just say game day. We're gonna do 2 items today. We're doing chicken wings. The other thing we're doing is jalapeno poppers. I'll show you a few tricks that we use in there to kind of elevate your game with those. So come on, follow me in the kitchen. Let's get to prepping so we can get to cooking. See you in the kitchen.
All right, so here's our wings. We got these from the local grocery store. These are jumbo wings. We're gonna get ready to open these up, get ready to start putting the season on, prep them like we need to. One thing I always, when I'm doing chicken wings, doing anything here, I'm always thinking about my presentation, my final product. With that being said, my final product's gonna be my wings gonna be cooked on the grill. They're gonna be cooked like this. So this is gonna be my final product. This will be where my rub's gonna be. This will be presented at. So when I put my first coat of rub on there, I'm gonna put them meat side down. This way, whenever I go here and I flip them over to put my final rub on there, they'll be on the meat side, and that way it'll have a better presentation. So anytime I'm doing it, I just want to go here and kind of lay them out. So when I put my rub on them, I'm keeping that in mind. That'll be my finished game. So anytime I'm doing something, I'm always thinking about finished product. So the rubs we'll be using today for our chicken wings is a good combination. Got a good depth of flavor, and got a good color to help for presentation. The first layer we're gonna go is gonna be Heath Riles Chicken rub. The second one's gonna come here and be Heath Riles Cherry rub. The cherry rub's gonna kind of get some deep flavor into it and kind of also give the color on the top side of it. So let's get the rubs on there, get ready to put the bad boys on the Traeger. So here we're getting ready to do our jalapeno poppers. First what I'm doing, cut this stem off. Then I'm gonna take it and let it kind of roll. I want to see where it's naturally sit at. How's it sit naturally? When I do that, I'm gonna take my knife, I'm coming here, I'm gonna slice it down. I'm gonna basically make me a little trough so I can take the seeds and stuff out of it. So now I'm gonna take this, use the smallest measuring spoon I got. I think this here is 1/8 of a teaspoon. We just want to take it and start kind of wheeling our way out. We want to get the seeds out of it without messing up the meat of the pepper. So we just take it and just kind of scoop our way out. And if you mess up the pepper, it ain't the end of the world. We're gonna wrap it in bacon anyhow. But I'm just gonna try to do this a little bit. Now we're gonna rinse them off, so we'll get some of this extra seeds that's in here out when we do the rinse. When we do that, got a little boat. Make sure you got all the seeds off of this side too. Get this white right here, the rib out of it. I'm gonna put that right there. We're gonna fill them full of cream cheese and wrap them in bacon. We'll be ready to go. So what we're getting ready to do now is start making our stuffing for our jalapeno poppers. Our stuffing consists of 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese, along with 8 ounces or a cup of mild cheddar cheese, shredded. We're gonna put these and start mixing them together, and then we're gonna stuff them inside of jalapeno poppers, and then we'll start wrapping them in our bacon, then they'll go on the Traeger. So let's get this thing mixed up so we can start stuffing. Always let your Philadelphia cream cheese come up to room temperature. It makes it a lot more pliable, a lot easier to work with. Once we kind of got it like we want it, now we're going to start stuffing them. Get a spoonful. Start pushing it down in there. Take a little lid piece, put it on top of it. You got to stuff jalapeno. I have found that if you use a thinner, kind of home style bacon rather than a thick bacon, it seems to work a little better. But you can try anything you want. You can use any kind of bacon you want. So now I'm going to take it and wrap it. Wrap it over. Now remember what I was telling you a while ago about how it sits naturally? See how it sits right on top of that board? Put it on the grill, it'll hold that way. That's what we're looking for right there. So that's how what we got. We got these 2 pieces of bacon right here. What we gonna do with them? Can't just leave them here by themselves. They kind of look a little lost. We'll do something crazy with them. What you think? All right, let's do something crazy with them. So let's take it and wrap it this way. Then we get here, we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna wrap it this way. Ooh, we got enough to do 2 of these bad boys. I think there'll probably be a dig dove.
See how the rubs all binded good to the meat? That moisture come out of there and it got in it. Now we can put these on the tray grill. All right, we're about 40 minutes into the cook. 173 there, 180 there in the backside, 180. So these things are here ready to put the sauce on them, and also ready for our poppers to go on there. So first things first, let's start saucing them up. Because I want to do half of these with sauce. I don't do half, leave them dry. So we're just gonna put sauce on this half over here. Then this other side, we're gonna let them be the dry rub once we got it. Now we're gonna put our jalapeno poppers on there now. So we'll take them and put them just like that. So it's been about an hour and 10 minutes. We're gonna check chicken wings and see where we at. 180, 180, they're ready to come off. We're gonna take the chicken wings off. Our jalapeno poppers needs a little bit more time, so we're gonna just take these off. We'll carry these inside and let them rest. So it's been about another 15 minutes. We're gonna check, see how we're looking. You see the bacon starting to really get crispy up now. We're gonna probably take these bad boys here off. I don't want them to get too dark, but that's what we're looking for right there. Just a little bit of bacon flavor there. So let's get the pans, get things, get them bad boys there off. Be right back. So we're gonna let these rest for a while and then taste them in a few minutes, see what we got. So be right back. That's it. This is what you got. Lee Barbecue Smokers Game Day Special. As you can see here, we got some wings. We got them bare naked. We got them sauced. We got jalapeno poppers. We got our little cheese balls, which is cheddar cheese, cream cheese, wrapped in bacon. Really interested in them things taste like. But this is what we got. As you seen, we got inside, we took the meat, we prepped it. We put the seasoning on it, we put it on tray grill, and we cooked it. Cooked it until it was tender. We're getting ready to taste this thing and see what we got. The first things first, we're gonna taste this here little cheese ball. I'm really curious about this thing. Bacon and cream cheese and cheddar cheese. How can you go wrong with that? It is good. We won't try the recipe. Now let's do the jalapeno popper. Nice good bacon on it. Let's give it bacon. Right here. It's really good. I got the crispiness of the jalapenos, a little bit of heat in there like I want to. That's what we're talking about. The heat really is gone. Got a little bit of bite into it. Makes it perfect. Makes it what we're looking for. The cream cheese with the cheddar cheese melts together. Really something other special. Now we got chicken wings right here. So these are the bare naked ones. This is the one I prefer. Awesome, juicy. Rub on there just goes well with it. You get that taste of just good smoke going in the tray grill along with that rubs, complement it really well. These are good. And that's good. Man, it's too good. Now let's try the sauce ones. just adds a whole nother level of sweetness to it. Awesome flavor to it. Just a little more sweetness to it. Get a little bite to it too. That's what we're looking for. You ought to try this, man. This great game day recipe. You know, the special game. Everybody ought to just go out there and take this recipe here and go home and replicate it. Again, thanks for watching our videos. If you like our videos, make sure to subscribe to us. Turn the notification bell on down at the bottom. That way we can notify you of new videos coming out and they'll come out on a weekly basis. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comment section down below. Again, we greatly appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch our videos. It means a lot to us, it really does. If you BBQ Smoker YouTube page, you're here to share new techniques, new recipes, so you can take the information and carry it home and help elevate your outdoor grilling experience. That's what BBQ Smoker is doing. That's what we want to do to help you out. Now, before we say the blessing, we'll let Dolly try it. Dolly, you gotta chew it. It ain't gonna go nowhere with you. Dolly likes it. She ain't even chewed it, but she loves it. So now, let's say the blessing. We'll get eating and see y'all next time. Lord, bless food by received. In His name pray. Amen. Hey, thank y'all for watching the videos. See you next time.